Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to use your keyboard spacebar on your S25 Ultra or any Galaxy premium phones like Cursor. Okay, I'm opening my WhatsApp. Then you can see here there is a text and you can use your spacebar. Just press and hold, then it will be just act like cursor, so you can simply move to anywhere if you want. So this is one of the very useful feature, and allowing this by enabling this feature on your keyboard settings. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.